Here I have HUAWEI MEDIAPAD T3 and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning let me start by holding a power key. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's prepare a micro USB cable. Here I have such a cable. Then connect it to your PC. This cable should be connected to your PC or to your computer. Let's start holding volume down and volume up. Keep holding both keys and connect your device by using micro USB cable. Keep holding both keys. When the following logo pops up, you can release both keys. And as you can see, the download mode just pops up. The device is trying to install update, so you can install update on your tablet, or if you are not installing any update, you can quit this mode by pressing power key. So let's just keep holding power button. The warning pops up, but if you are not installing any firmware, you can keep holding power and release power as soon as HUAWEI MEDIAPAD pops up. The device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see now, you may use your device. You may also disconnect your device from micro USB cable. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.